Lena, where's your right hand? Where's your left hand? Left hand. Raise your left hand. Left foot. Left foot. Left. Right. Left. Good. You sing. Sing a song. Sing a song. Oh, we are flying in our plane, looking at the window, watching the sun go by. Flying in our plane, looking at the window,
Sing, Froggy. Oh, where's the microphone of Froggy?
What's your name?
Lena.
What's your nickname?
Lena.
Nickname?
Evan.
What's your mama's name?
Jen's mama.
Yaya.
Ruby.
Auntie.
Didi.
Dada.
Rep.
Where do you live?
Rep.
How old are you?
2.
What's your full name?
Lena Sol.
Lena. Diana.
Lena Diana.
Minglana.
Minglana.
Galing naman.
What's the name of your friend?
Lena.
What's the name of your friend?
Listen to me.
Who else? Who else? Tyra.
Tyra.
Jana.
Jana.
Ate Sam. Kuya J.
Yes.
Yay! You sing a song. Oh, Mr. Sun.
Row your boat nga. Tingin nga.
Row. Head, shoulders.
Head.
Shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Knees and toes. Okay, shake.
Shake.
Your body. Shake. Dance.
Yay! Up here.
Up here.
Where's your left ear? Galing.
Where's your right?